Okay, in the second part I'm going to show you how to build a page using the Divi Builder. Okay, if you've only started out with this, it's going to be a little weird, but you'll quickly get used to it. So if you're signed into WordPress, you'll have this button over here. It says new page. You can also go into the dashboard and go to pages, all pages, and new. Okay, I'm going to do this, new page. And you should be familiar with this page if you've already worked on WordPress before. But what we're going to look at now is to use the Divi Builder. So this will switch over to a Divi Builder page from a normal WordPress page once you click on that. Okay, so let's click on this button. This box will appear, and if I publish this, let's publish. Okay, it doesn't have a page title yet, so let me just, okay, remedy that. Bounce back page builder tutorial. Okay, update, and let's open another. So as you can see, completely open page. There's nothing on it except the stuff we've already set up for you. So first of all, as I explained, you have sections, so you can add a standard section. Once you press add, it will give you options for columns for your rows. Okay, so let's just choose one of them. You can add more rows. Okay, you can swap rows. You can change the column layout. Okay, there we change it from quarter, half, quarter to quarters. Okay, we can add a full width section. The difference between a full width section and a standard section is there's different stuff, different modules that you can use in the two. Okay, so they're not compatible with each other. You can add a speciality section. This is kind of all complicated layouts, so you can do one of those as well. So it has already, done your layout for you, and you don't have much control over this, as you can see. Okay, so first of all, let's start with a clean slate here. What I usually do is first say we have a bunch of text. Let me just see what we have here. Okay, I can take all this text, and first of all we need to know how to add text to a site. And let's say insert column. We have a full width column, insert module. Okay, so these are all Divi modules. You can do a lot of this stuff, but it's also very limiting. That's why you use it on a very small package. Okay, so if you scroll down, you'll see there's a text module. If you want to add some text, it gives you some options. Text color, so dark or light. Is it left, centered, or justified? I'm always choosing left most of the time. And this is a normal WordPress text box. So I can just enter the content here. And here I can add heading. Is a heading 1. This is a heading 2. Okay, as you can see, I can't see any options for headings. So here I go to the toolbar toggle. Click it. It will give you another row of toolbar. Toolbar. Click here on heading and heading 2. And as I said, this is a normal WordPress text box. Okay. And I can add a link. Insert link. Let's go to www.cnn.com. Open link, a new tab. Okay, add link. Save. So you can see the module we've entered here is a text box module. That's why it says text. And update. And we go back to our site. Refresh this page. And you'll see the text. You also see that I have accidentally pasted this text twice. We can just remove that now. Okay. So, but this is quite boring, and to have a full width text box is quite boring in most cases. Okay, unless you have lots of text. Okay, so let's change that. I can change this one column row to 2 columns. Oh goodness. Let's see, now I've deleted and I don't have any revisions left. So let's just start again. Let's do it now in 2 columns. Enter some text, paste, heading 1, wait for it to update, refresh. To refresh, you can click on this button or Control Command R. Okay, so now you can see it's only in 1 column. Okay, and you can still edit that. Let's say we want to change this to, this is something about SEO. We can make that the heading. Do you want more traffic to your website? Okay. Okay, so now this is just shown as text. So if I add another text box, it will also show as text. So for your own sanity, we do this. In the admin label, it's just below this text box. In the admin label, there's a gives you this little label, and you can change it there. So do you want more traffic to your website, so that you can easily spot it when you're editing. Okay, so if you want another text box, you can add it here, but I'll show you how to add a picture. And let's see, add an image. It will give you image module settings and image URL. You can paste the URL there externally, external URL, or you can upload an image. Drag your image in here. Okay, I'll just do these puppies. Just wait for it to upload. If you do it like this, make sure that this is not a massive image. This image, let's see, it's info. It's massive, so 6.3 megabytes. That is way too big for a website. A lot of people make this mistake. If they do try to manage their own site, is that they upload massive images onto the site. Okay, so this means that this page will load very, very slow. So first of all, you would want to make it smaller. This is a smaller image that I've used. So you'll see that I can now delete this because it's the wrong one. And I can just go and add the smaller one. Uploads real quickly. It's only 3 kilobytes big. Set as image. I can go image, alternative text. Okay, puppies. Image title text. Chocolate puppies. And open in Lightbox. I'll show you what this means. If you want this link to go somewhere else, you can enter it here. When you add a link URL, you always have to add http:// before it. So I'll do this Lino Media to show you. And if it goes to external site, say a new tab. Okay. Animation. You can add an animation to this image. You can set it to no animation, fade in, bottom to top, top to bottom, left to right, right to left. Okay, so I'll say fade in. Remove space below the image if you want to. Image alignment left, I'll do it center. And admin label, this is again the admin label, I'll just add here bushes. Save and exit, update, and there we have an image of chocolate puppies. Okay, and it fades in. The reason why I centered it is because on a smaller device, if I drag it smaller, it will be in the middle, not on the left. Okay, so it just looks better. Okay, as I said before, you can swap these two. You can duplicate them. And you can even duplicate them and then add a different image from your media library. Let's take this beautiful little face. Save. Internet's getting a bit slow, but what will happen now is this text will go to the right, these two images will be on the left. Okay, let's just try to refresh that again. Here we go. Two pictures on the left below each other and text on the right. Okay, so I'm going to add a full width section, show you what it looks like and what it can do. Add full width, and you can see we don't have options to make columns here. It will be full width. Okay, so we can add full width code, we can add a full width map, a full width post title, a full width header. This is very similar but different. Full width menu, full width slider, full width image, full width portfolio. This will only work if you actually have a portfolio. Okay, so first of all I'm going to add a full width header, and we'll call this a page title. Okay, so our page title is, you want more traffic to your website, SEO. Okay, so call it search engine optimization, and it has a subheading. You don't have to fill that out. get more traffic to your website. I'll make this light so that I can use a dark background color. Text logo and orientation. If you want to add a logo here, you can do that. Make full screen. You can do that as well. I'll show you why and how. Scroll down button. Let's make one. Let's choose that one. You can add 2 buttons there. Background image URL. If you want a background image there, you can add it. Background color. Okay. Let's give it an orange background. And some more stuff you can add. Logo title, header image. Image vertically centered, content. Okay. Let's add some content. Why you need SEO for your website. Save, exit, update. Let's see what happens. Fuller section has a title, get more traffic subtitle. This is the text. Okay, so let's just move that page title to the top, which would make more sense. Update it. Okay, this makes more sense. So there's a lot of stuff you can do with a page title. It's would be easier to just experiment with these. We don't usually put that on unless it's a nice big picture. And let's say, for instance, we make it a full screen and we add background image. I think this is a big picture. Yeah, it is. Set as image. And okay, save it, update it, wait for it to update, refresh it. I will now have an image at the back of this page title. Okay, I can it's set now at a full page, full width. I can make it smaller again by deselecting make full screen, save, update, wait for it to update, refresh, and now it will only be, as high as it minimum size basically. Okay, I can even remove that subtitle if I want to. I can make it text dark, orientation to the right. Let's see what else. Okay, remove this text, save, update. Okay, so here we go. I thought we put it to the right. Yeah, there it goes. Okay, so you see the gist of it. Let's try something else. We'll remove this one, add another type of module. Let's add a full width map. I can add map center. Johannesburg, find can zoom out a bit. Okay, and I can add a pen. Santon. Okay, so you have a business name called Spider-Man Motors, and 23 Church. I am assuming there's a Church Street there. Find. Okay, there is such a place. Save it and save exit. Update. If you go to the site now, this is great for. Okay, so on your page title you have it, you know, looking like this, and you can. My Spider-Man did not save there, but was supposed to be there. Okay, so this is the map option. Pull with post title. I think this is more in regards to a blog post. Will not work here. Insert module. You can add a menu, but the menu have to be set up by us. So if you need a menu, you can just tell us. And full a slider. Okay, slider. You'll need to add slides. It will ask you if you want to show the arrows or not. Hide the arrows. Show slider controls. Hide slider controls. Automatic animation. Yes. Speed. You can set the speed here. Continue automatic slide on hover. Yes. Yes. Okay. Full slider. Let's just add one. Add a slide. These images should be big. Slider image 1. Okay. Services. Here you can add the URL of the button. So how you get this button? So if what we do is I'm a services, so I can right click, copy link address, and go here. You just turn that off. Okay. So you can see http://. Okay. The background image, you can upload a large background image. We'll use that same one we saw earlier. Where is it? Here it is. Okay, set as background image. Background image position, you can change this if you like, but it's so big that it won't matter. You can add a background color and even can add a slide image. So slide image is going to slide up. It's slide up this little cutie here. Well, let's slide up this logo. Okay. And if you need more tags, let's scroll down, some more text. Okay, so here we have our first slide. We'll just add another slide, a new slide, another one, slide 2. Contact us, button URL. Let's get the contact us button URL and paste it. Background image. Now we'll just add a background color. Let's do one like this. And we'll also do a slide image. Let's take this. Oh, this is very big. Oh, even bigger. Okay, let's do this one. Oh no, that's portrait. Glory. Extremely big. Okay, this one is more to my liking. Okay. So, and we'll add some more text. Save. Save. Update. And now you'll see what a slider would look like. Just wait for it. Refresh. Slider image. Okay. So this is the background. It has controls. Slider image. Background was a color. Has a button. Let's go back. Continues. Services. If we click on services, you'll go to what we do. Okay, so it works. And okay, you can even add links on this image. These are the slider controls. You can remove those if you want to. And the arrows. Okay. There you go, and you can even rearrange these slides. Let's remove the arrows. Hide slider controls and automatic. Okay, continue automatic slide on hover. Let's take that off, see what happens. Refresh. Okay, so now we don't have these little controls and no arrows. Okay, it will continue by itself. Unless I hover on it, it will stand still. Okay, another thing that I want to show you is how to add a blog to this page. Okay, so I'm not going to show you all the modules. You can create a page for yourself for just to play around with, and add some more modules. And what I'm going to do is, let's say I am going to remove these images and add a blog feed, or I can just below here make a blog feed. Okay, so I'll add another standard section, and let's do full width. And this section I'll give a background color. Background color, just do a light gray. Save. Okay, so if I add module, you'll see we have an accordion blog. Okay, add blog, layout, full width, or grid. I'm going to add a grid at the moment. Post number, only 4 posts. Include categories, news. Okay, this is post that's already on the site, so if you don't have any posts yet, nothing will show up now. But because we have a blog or news section and news articles, this will work now. Okay, date format, show featured image. You can say yes or no here. Show excerpt, show content, show excerpt. Add a read more button, show author. Now let's do dates, not categories. Show comment count. No. Okay, let's try this. Save. Okay, and update. Okay, so here we have a next section with the background color. And let's see, background color, and there's 2 blog posts. Okay, I thought there's a lot of blog posts. Let's see, news. So maybe I missed something over here. News has quite a few, but it's not been marked as news, but as uncategorized. Okay, so that's why. Let's just change that. Let's do news and uncategorized. So everything will show up now. Refresh. Okay, sorry. Okay, there we go. All the entries. Next entries. Okay, so there's 2 ways to display blog posts. Is either by grid, like this, or to display it full width. Okay, so if I click here on full width, it says post number 4. Let's make it 8. Sorry. Save. Update. Wait for it to reload. Okay, reload it. And now we'll see them below each other, and 8 of them. Okay, if there is 8. Okay, great. Another thing I want to show you is how to let's see, how to add a gallery. Okay, so let's add another section, another standard section, and I'll make a fuller section. I'll give it, let's just do a white background, and here we can go and look for a gallery. Gallery. Images number, let's do 6. You can make it a slider or a grid. Okay, show title and caption, show text color, automatic animation on. Okay, we'll first do a slider gallery, so update gallery. So here you can create a gallery. Okay, let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pages. So you can just select and say add to gallery. Here you have your gallery. You can move them around. You can remove this little bushies one. You can add captions and update gallery, save it, and you'll have a slider gallery now on your page. Okay, let's go down. Here are the gallery. It will give you this little nice full width gallery. Okay, if you click on the image, it will open in a lightbox, which is this new. Let's close the lightbox. Okay, so let's change this gallery to a grid, slider to grid. Save, update, retreat, refresh, and now it will look much different. Go, and you can click on it, it will open in the lightbox. But if you do it like this, you're probably either going to have to add captions or remove the file names. Okay, to do that you can just see show title and caption, show, yeah. Okay, so the last thing that I'm going to show you, see this looks much better. Last thing I'm going to show you is how to add a contact form on your site. This is usually something we use on contact pages, but if you want something to, you know, another fill out form, it's quite easy to do. I'm going to remove one of these, insert another module, and let's see. Contact form, click, display capture. This basically prevents a bunch of robots and spam bots to fill out your form. You can enter your email, media.coza, title, give us a shout, admin label. Okay, this is basically it. Save, update. Okay, we put it up here. Let's see, and there we have it, a contact form. Okay, so as you can see, it's very versatile. It does give you a lot of options that you can quickly implement. It doesn't give you, if you want to go more custom, it will be very limiting with this smaller package, but you're able to do something really quick and add some great features to your site. Okay, there's a lot of more stuff. You can enter audio, accordion. Accordion is basically some text is hidden, and you click on it, it shows the whole text. A circle counter, countdown timer. This is okay. Till our next event, countdown to 13th. Text color, let's do dark. Use background color, yes. Okay, countdown timer, let's see. So there's a lot of stuff you can play around with. Just keep to the color scheme of the website and you'll be fine. There's your nice countdown timer, and let's add some more stuff. Insert module. Blurb is something I use very often. It's basically, let's say, services, go to the URL, use icon, let's make an icon, select icon color, placement, and let's add some text. Okay, I'll show you what this looks like. Okay, basically it has an icon, has text. This doesn't look great, so image placement, let's do it to the left. It would be better. Okay, so there it is, little icon with some text. So that's basically it. You can send this to a link. Another thing we use is a call to action. Call to action is basically like a box that you want people to click on, like buy now. Okay, to shop. Okay, open in the same window, button text. Oh, this is buy. Background color, yes. Let's just do something orangey to fit this website. Text color light, text orientation centered. Text and message. Sign up now, or rather save, update. Okay, so that's basically what this is. Okay, so you can see there's a lot of stuff you can do here. Best thing is to play around and try not to break anything. So to not break anything, use a new page first. Try it out, and remember you can always go back on revisions. So let's see, revisions, 26 revisions. So I can go back to maybe an hour ago, 12 minutes ago, restore to this revision. Yes. Wait for it to restore. And it will go back to that previous revision. Okay. So, easy peasy. Thank you for listening and watching, and wish you good luck. Remember that because you have limited access, we give only limited access to our website owners so that they can't break anything. But if you need to create a page that needs to go to the main menu, you have to let us know. First create the page, and then tell us where you want that page, us to put that page, so we can put it in. Okay, thank you.